Ashley Michelle here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where you can find beginner beauty tutorials and reviews. And in today's video we have another beginner friendly wig tutorial and install. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Y'all already know what time it is when your girl got the wig cap on. We are doing a wig review. You guys, I'm super duper excited because we are definitely doing something fun and colorful today. You guys, so today's wig is going to be from Bobbi Boss. This is from the Pro Color series. I will have the information listed down below in the description box of this wig, and the color that I did get is in the style 3T1B AS gray. I'm not sure, you guys, but I'm gonna link everything down below for you guys. She is a 6-inch deep lace part wig, so I cannot wait to show you guys this poppin' color. And shout out to my hairstylist for hooking me up with this unit, okay? Alright, you guys, so here's the lovely unit that we are going to be working with today. We have a nice peekaboo color with a beautiful, beautiful silver today. So I'm super duper excited. You guys already know I love me some color and I'm all here for it. So she is a lace frontal unit. She does have lace, you guys, from ear to ear. We do have our combs in the front by the nape section, and there is also a comb in the nape as well, and adjustable straps. So you have all of your security. This wig is pretty snug, but also very flexible. So I am going to be able to maneuver this wig. And the lace on this unit is also a nice light brown color, which I definitely appreciate, because it'll be a whole lot easier for me to blend it in. And if you are a lighter complexion, this lace is also pretty transparent, so you are able to apply some foundation or tint spray of your choice to be able to blend it in to your skin. And you guys, let's take a little bit peek at the hairline. It doesn't really look too pre-plucked, but I am going to do a little bit of customization on this unit as well. So I already have my hair cornrowed underneath my wig cap, got my edges slicked back and my wig cap on. So before I actually apply the wig, I'm just going to do a little bit of customization around the hairline and the lace, and then we're going to get into the actual application. So to customize my wig today, I'm just pulling out a couple of sections from the front hairline using my rat tail comb. You do want your sections to be kind of see-through because we want our edges to look as realistic as possible. And I'm just going to be using some slanted tweezers to just take out some sections of that hair, and I'm also going in the middle of the wig on the part and plucking some hair out of the part as well. To tint my lace today, I'm going to be using the Even Wig Tinting Spray in the shade Medium Brown. This is my favorite product to use because it's so easy to apply, and just make sure you guys use spray a little bit at a time because this product is definitely very pigmented and a little bit does go a long way. Alright, y'all, so now that I have the wig customized as far as the lace and the part, I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig to my head. I'm just going to make sure that I get these adjustable straps where I want them. And I am going to do a little bit of hairspray so I don't have to make the straps too tight. But I am going to place these straps right beside the comb in the nape section. And I'm just going to go ahead and slide this wig on. Dang, this is kind of cute. Oh, okay, girl. Y'all haven't had color in a minute, so I'm just like, ooh, who are you? Who are you? Okay. All right, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and cut this lace off and get us right, okay? And before I actually go ahead and secure this wig down, I am going to shift it to see how it looks on the other sides to kind of give you guys an idea of this wig's versatility. Ooh. Oh gee, the side is giving. Oh my goodness. I think I might wind up securing it as a side part. Because look at that. OMG, yes. I'm securing it as a side part. The middle is cool. Like, the middle is cool, but the side part is where it's at. The side part is where the party is at, okay? So, you can definitely wear it on either side, but y'all know I'm a lefty, so I'm gonna do mine as a left side part. OMG, I'm so glad I decided to switch it because it's just giving a whole nother different look on the side versus in the middle. Y'all drop me a comment down below if you guys like the middle part versus the side part. I'm definitely feeling the side part, so we about to do a side part, baby. Side part, gang. That's what we about to do. And make sure you also adjust the wig at the bottom at the neck too when you switch it to the side, because it's gonna feel weird, like it's pulling on your head. So y'all, like, yes. And this is just how it looks with the lace tint up there. So the lace does match a whole lot better when you actually add in that lace tint. Did go a little bit ham on the top, but it's okay. We can camouflage that, and don't nobody need to be that close to your lace anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and secure this down with some wig spray, and we're gonna go ahead and throw some edges on this wig, and we're gonna wrap this video on up. And to customize my baby hairs today, you guys, I'm going to be using my eyebrow razor to give me that nice slanted jagged edge, so that way the hair doesn't look super straight. And I'm going to be using some Got To Be Freeze gel to actually secure the edges down. Alright, y'all, here are the final results of this wig install, you guys. I am definitely loving and feeling this color. And you guys, if you guys want to check this unit out, I will have everything listed down below in the description box. And I hope you guys enjoyed this very beginner-friendly, easy way to apply a lace front wig. And as always, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop me a comment down below, and of course, share this with your friends so that way we all can look fabulous together. And you guys already know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay popping. And I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye.